Here I've got a combination lock. It's a Syneco luggage combination lock. It's got the TSA bypass as well, so airport staff that have the TSA 7 key can open this lock without knowing the combination. You can of course pick it through here. This is actually kind of annoying to pick. It's hard to get a tensioner to stay. Like you try and put a tensioner in the bottom, for example, and same for the top. But as soon as you turn it, it's like it slips out. Now, I'm sure you can get a tensioner that is the right size to fit in there nicely, but none of the sort of normal ones I've got around are that easy. I have picked it, but as you're about to see, picking this lock is not the fastest way to get into it. I've seen a video on Swindler's channel, which I'll put in the link down below, of how you can decode one of these. And it involves feeling around. I'm just using a shim, but as you can see in Swindler's video, you can use a cut up piece of drink can and you feel around underneath. It's actually on this side. If you feel underneath each dial, you'll find a spot where there is a depression. And you can sort of hear that click as it falls in the hole. And let's say you find all the ones with the depression and you put them on this side where the line is. So you find it's on 5. You then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back to 0, and the lock opens. So you can do that, feeling around for each number. But as I discovered, it's even simpler than that. Now this might be a little bit tricky to show, but if you look closely, and if I can get this to focus, underneath okay, I think that's just showing it there. You can actually see the little depression. So you just push the dial up a little bit and yeah, you should be able to see it. So you can just look at which numbers have those depressions, and yes, I should do the obligatory combination lock decoding thing and scramble the numbers and then decode it. Now I don't know if this is a feature or a bug, but if you push this down and to the side, it gets stuck, so now you can just turn the wheels as much as you want. It seems like it could be dodgy manufacturing, but actually it makes it much easier because now I don't have to worry about holding that in. So I'm going to scramble the numbers and make sure they're all in a correct number, because I think when I was playing around with this, I got them sort of between numbers and then it was very hard to figure out where they were meant to go. So I think they're all happy. Now I will close this thing and scramble again. All right, let's have a look. So you're not going to be able to see this, but hopefully, based on how fast I can decode it, it should be obvious that it's doable. Oh, great. It's happened again. That I've definitely got the numbers in the right spots, but it's just a little bit dodgy. Well, this is embarrassing. Because I can see that they're all lined up. And it should just open, but it doesn't want to. No. My hands are getting sweaty, which makes it really hard to hold this slippery metal. Grr. What? That's weird. Okay. So I don't know why that happened, but when I was rotating that, the little gate seemed to have moved as I rotated, because now the combo is 814, whereas before it was 844. So I think this middle wheel doesn't engage properly or something. And you might think I'm just saying that to save face after failing at decoding it as quick as I thought I was going to, but that was really weird. So I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna try it again. This time, I'm going to open it just to prove it works. And now I'll scramble it again. Oh, my fingers are real sweaty now. All right, that should do it. Okay. Okay, that's, yeah, all right. There we go. So I don't know why that problem happened before, but yeah, it's not the best quality padlock in the world, and it's not that hard to decode if it works. Like, sometimes it doesn't work at all. But there you go. That's the Syneco luggage combo lock, decodable by sight.